The Riemann hypothesis is 167 years old. There is a $1 million prize for whoever proves it. No one has claimed it. Not in 167 years. On August 10, Anthropic asked an AI to try. The AI failed 650 times. Then someone said, "Keep going. Believe in yourself." Those were the only instructions. That was the entire human contribution. What Claude did next set a record that had been moving for 46 years. Let me explain what the Riemann hypothesis is without any mathematics. Prime numbers are numbers divisible only by themselves and 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. As numbers get larger, primes become rarer. But the pattern of how they spread out is not fully understood. In 1859, a mathematician named Bernhard Riemann proposed a hypothesis about this pattern. 167 years later. Still unproven. The Clay Mathematics Institute offers $1 million to anyone who proves it. The prize is still available. Nobody has claimed it. But here is the thing. You can make progress on an unsolved problem without solving it. You can prove things adjacent to the main question. Push the edges. That is what happened on August 10. From 1974 to 2020, 46 years, mathematicians improved a related lower bound from 33.3% to 41.7%. That is 8.4 percentage points in 46 years. Roughly 0.18 points per year. On August 10, 2026, a single run of Claude code, in 36 hours, raised the bound from 41.6% to 67.2%. 25.6 percentage points. In 36 hours. More than 3 times the total progress of the previous 46 years, done overnight. The person who ran the experiment was Jared Sumner. He joined Anthropic in December 2025. His background, co-founder of Bun.js, a JavaScript runtime. A software engineer. Not a mathematician. He opened Claude Code and typed an instruction. Take a serious shot at the Riemann hypothesis. That was it. Then he watched. Claude tried. It generated 650 different mathematical ideas. 650 attempts. All of them failed. Every single one. At this point, most systems would stop. Jared Sumner did not stop. He told Claude to keep going. Believe in yourself. Anthropic described his input, the entire human guidance for what came next, as mostly variants of keep going or believe in yourself. That is it. No mathematical direction. No domain expertise. Encouragement. Then something different happened. Claude organized itself into a research team. Approximately 60 separate Claude subagents, all running in parallel, each assigned a different role. Over 36 hours, they ran 2,400 shell commands. Wrote hundreds of Python scripts. Performed thousands of numerical checks. Downloaded and reviewed dozens of papers from AR14, to confirm that what they were finding had not already been published. And they checked each other's work. What was verified? 2 Anthropic mathematicians confirmed the result. 2 external number theorists reviewed the paper. Claude produced a formal proof using Lean 4. What is still pending? The result has not passed conventional peer review. The model weights are not published. This is a credible formally checked advance. It is not a final answer. Here is something Anthropic included that deserves its own moment. Claude was surprised by its own finding. It was skeptical at first, possibly because it has learned from its training about the difficulty of open problems in mathematics and about the limitations of AI models. The AI had learned, from reading about AI, that AI has limits. And applied that to itself. Then someone said, believe in yourself. And it found something 46 years of human effort had not found. Anthropic's final line, perhaps Claude, like many of us, underestimates the rate of AI progress. 3 days ago, mathematicians accused OpenAI of publishing math results that recycled prior work without credit. Stephen Miller of Yeshiva University and Francesco Fornier-Fazio of Cambridge both raised concerns. OpenAI released those results via blog post, with peer review still pending. Anthropic released a paper, note, provenance appendix, process transcripts, and a lean proof. Both happened in the same week. The difference in approach is visible. An AI tried to solve one of the most famous problems in human history. It failed at the actual problem. On the way down it found something that 46 years of human effort had been approaching at 0.18 points per year. The human contribution was encouragement. It is not AI solved math. It is not AI just ran a calculator. It is something in between. Something genuinely new. And we are watching it happen in real time.